Hey guys, it's Conjure here with an unboxing of the USB power adapter from Apple. And we can look at the box here. You can see that it has the power adapter on the front. If you look on the side, it says USB power adapter. On the top, it says nothing. On the other side, USB power adapter. And on the bottom, you have some information. And on the back, you have an Apple logo with some more information. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there is a tab right here. Go ahead and pull this off. And then it just lifts up. And there's a little tab here. And then I guess this. And here is the power adapter itself. It's got a little plastic film around it. Here's the adapter. Go ahead and see what else is in here. And then you have your USB cable. And then you have your manuals. Here's the Apple USB power adapter manual, and here's the warranty information. And that is all inside the box. So yeah, this was an unboxing of the Apple USB power adapter. If you liked the video, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.